Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and fine and happy. So, here I welcome you all in your computer class. In this class, we will start chapter number 3 of your book, and the name of the chapter is Parts of Computer. So, in this chapter, we will see what are the parts of a computer. So, let's have a look. So, as we know, computer has lots of parts: keyboard, mouse, desktop, CPU, speaker, printer. All these are the parts of computer. So, let's see one by one what are these parts. So, hi friends, I am Computer Lab. Look, there Dia is looking at the computers. Let's see, Dia is sitting in front of the computer. So, let me see. These wires are connected. I can see a computer have many parts. So we can see computer has many parts. Okay. So let's see. Friends, you have already noticed that a computer is not a single machine. So we know computer is not just a single machine. Just like we have our hands, legs, eyes and ears, a computer also have many parts. Do you know the names of the parts of computer? Let's discuss all these parts one by one. So let's have a look. What are the parts of a computer? Starting with keyboard. What is it? Keyboard. So the keyboard of a computer have many small buttons called keys. So in the keyboard we can see many keys are there. Okay. So there are letters, numbers or words written on each keys. So in the keys of the keyboard there are numbers, letters that is written on the keys. These keys are used to type on the computer just as we use pencil or pen to write on a paper. So with the help of pencil and pen we can write on the paper. So in the same way keyboards help us to write on the computer. Okay. So here are the activity for you. Color the letters of your word with the help of different colors on the keyboard. So, for example, my name is Yashvi, so I can color it Y, A, S, H, V, I. Different colors I can use in the keyboard. Okay. Now see the parts of a computer. First is the monitor. This one is the monitor. Okay. So a monitor of a computer look like a television. So as in the previous classes we already see, our monitor is just look like a television. So we can watch movies, cartoons and pictures on the monitor. So we can see anything like movies, cartoons on the monitor. Whatever we type with keyboard can we see on the monitor. So with the help of keyboard, whatever we can type with the help of keyboard we can see on the screen. Okay. So here is the activity for you. Which of these is the monitor? Tick the correct picture. Which one is a monitor? First one and the second one. This one is a monitor or this one is a monitor? According to this is a monitor. They have the remote. So computer does not have the remote. Okay. So we can see this one. Okay. Next, the monitor is clear to you. So next is CPU. So CPU look like this. Yes. So the CPU is called the central processing unit. So full form of CPU is central processing unit. It is the most important part of the computer. So CPU is the most important part of a computer. Just as our brain control all the parts of our body, the CPU help us to control all the parts of the computer. So CPU control all the parts of the computer, just like our body is controlled by our brain. So it does all the work we want the computer to do. So all the work is done by the CPU. Okay, so CPU is the brain of the computer. Next part is mouse. This is the mouse. Okay. So the mouse helps to draw picture and to point or select different things on the computer. So to select something, we can use the mouse. To point something, we can use the mouse, just like I am using it. Okay, like this. So it contains a wire which connects to the computer. So they have the wire that is connected to the computer. It has two or more buttons that have different functions. So they have two buttons, right click, left click. Okay, so they have different function for it. Okay, next is the printer. So printer is also connected with the computer. So we can say our printer help to print picture or word on the paper. So with the help of printer, we can do print, black and white print or colored print. So the printed paper is known as print out or hard copy. A printer can give us colored or black and white printouts. So printer also have color printer and black and white printer. Okay, so now I'm hoping this thing is also clear. Printer, mouse, CPU and computer and monitor. Okay, all these things are clear. Okay, now there's an activity for you. So fill in the missing letters to complete the names of the part of a computer. So here we can fill the names with the help of, like, first is monitor. First one is the monitor. Second is mouse. Third is CPU. Fourth is keyboard. And fifth is printer. Okay. Now, so friends, these were the essential part of the computer. Okay. There are some more parts that can be attached to the computer. Let's learn about them. So there are other parts of computer is there. So let's see. Speaker is also a part of a computer. Okay, so a speaker help us to listen to music and voice on the computer. So we can hear the voices with the help of speaker. Okay, so generally two speakers are attached with a computer. So normally two speakers can be attached to a computer. Okay, next is microphone. What's that? It's microphone. So a microphone is used when we have to record sound on the computer. So if you want to record a sound, we can use microphone. So we can also record our voice using the microphone. Okay, next. So I'm hoping microphone, speaker and printer, everything is clear to you. Okay, now one activity. Who am I? You want to tell me who am I? You need me to listen to songs on the computer with the help of loudspeaker. Next is I help you to record your voice in the computer. This microphone. Okay. So yeah, this is the whole chapter all about. I'm hoping so this chapter is clear to you. Do you know? Now you can able to understand what are the parts of computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, CPU, speaker and microphone are the parts of computer. Okay, so I'm hoping so this chapter is totally clear to you. So thank you my dear learners for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.